academic who was there to look over him. With Starling, he answered her questions. She interested him. She intrigued him. He thought she was charming and amusing.
So Clarice Starling and Hannibal Lecter became friendly. And he was fond of her. Thank you very much for your candor. And keep all those wonderful items from your personal Lecter treasure trove. I almost forgot. I might be able to get a cookie now. What do you think, Cardell?
I think it would kill you.
How much?
$250.
Got a check for $250,000.
However, when she returns to work later this week, she won't be so celebrated. Attorney Telford Higgins, representing one of the families of those slain, says he will file a wrongful death suit.
Cordell! Cordell!
Yes, sir.
Get me the Justice Department.
Mr. Verger, Agent Starling is here.
Good morning, Mr. Verger.
Was that a Mustang I heard out there?
Yes, it was.
5-liter?
Yes.
Fast. Cordell, I think you can leave us now. Seeing about my lunch.
I'd like to attach this microphone to your clothing, your pillow, if you're comfortable with that.
Oh, by all means. Just here, this should make it easier. What happened? It was my salvation. Do you have faith?
I was raised Lutheran.
That's not what I asked.
This is Special Agent Clarice Starling. Later.
So we can
I just
get to it now. You see, it all comes to bear. For poor, unfortunate, cast-off little boys and girls who would do anything for a candy bar.
Mr. Verger,
Immunity from the risen Jesus. And nobody beats the Riz. Socially.
That is what I mean. Yes, if you don't mind talking about it.
Oh, no, not at all. I'm not ashamed.
I didn't.
I invited him, of course. That's almost funny now. It's a way you sort of hang yourself, but not really. And I said, would I? Wow. I smiled. I said, oh, I see how you do it. I'm feeding it to the dogs. It seemed like a good idea at the time.
Mr. Verger, you...
Cordell? Buenos Aires. I received it 2 weeks ago. Good question. There was nothing written on it of interest. Cordell, did we throw it out to help cleanse the stigma of your recent dishonor?
Thank you.
Talks at the asylum. I know I did while I was peeling. Isn't it funny? But you shied when I said the name of God. Bingo.
Ciao bello, come stai? But, well, first I need you to pack off the boys.
No?
Yes, I know, the day you never thought would arrive has. I'm Sardinia. Yeah, va bene? How are they?
Ah, they are big, Mason. Very big.
Say again?
Yeah, they are...
Oh, wow. Oh, they sound fantastic. Oh, super.
Cordell, to you, doesn't it? Oh, hello. So what do you think? Does Lecter want to fuck her, or kill her, or eat her, or what?
Probably all three. No, I wouldn't want to predict in what order.
Here's what I think. No matter how Bonnie might want to romanticize it and make it Beauty and the Beast, Lecter's object, as I know from personal experience, has always been degradation, suffering. Connor, get this damn thing off me. I can't breathe in this thing. She needs to be distressed. To make her attracted to him, let him see her distress. When the fox hears the rabbit scream, he comes a-running. But not to help. She didn't turn it over because she didn't receive it. She didn't receive it because it was never sent. It was never sent because Lecter didn't write it. He didn't write it because I did. Oh, let's just toss it off like 5. Let's say it with the respect it deserves. Now, will it work?
It'll work.
Cocksucker.
Minor agony. Ring any bells from high school biology, Doctor? No? Well, I could list its most conspicuous features, as that will help jog the memory. Elongated canines, 3 pairs of molars, 4 pairs of premolars, upper and lower, for a total of 44 teeth. The meal will begin with an audata. Your feet. The main course and the rest of you won't be served until 7 hours later. But during that time, you'll be able to enjoy the effects of the consumed appetite. I guess you wish now you'd fed the rest of me to the dogs. So, dinner at 8. You will stay for the evening's entertainment, won't you, Cardell?
If it's all right with you, I think I'd rather not.
Rather not? Or will not?
What was that? Cardell, quickly! Cardell, shoot him! Get the gun and shoot him!
Go into the pan?
Yes!
No, I'm staying out.
You're involved is what you are in all of it. Now do it.
No.
Yes!
Why didn't you push him in?
Cardell? Cardell? Cardell! Cardell!